Hey Queen, so today kicks off National Outlet Shopping Day, and I wanted to come on here and just talk a little bit about this event that's going on from today, the 11th, until the 14th, and to show you what I picked up. So let's get into it. Hey, Andre, and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you know me, you know that I like what I like, but I'm allergic to full price. If that sounds like you, go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you know whenever I upload new videos. But first, I want to just apologize to y'all for not uploading a video yesterday or even posting on my community page to let y'all know that there's not a video. I pride myself on being consistent on this channel. And since I've started, I have basically uploaded every Wednesday and Sunday without fail, with the exception of maybe one time in the entire 2.5, 3 year span that I've been on YouTube. Now, initially, like maybe that first or second year, I started adding a third video. So I would add a Friday video in between the Wednesday and Sunday. But I stopped doing that after a while because it just became to be too much. But in any case, I have always uploaded on Wednesday and Sunday. The YouTube algorithm, I believe, is used to that. And I'm hoping and praying that you, my audience, is used to that. So I just want to reassure you that that will continue to be the case. Every once in a while, though, something might come up where I can't upload, or like this time, I was waiting until today because I knew I was going to go to the outlet. So this video could have either been a shop with me video or an unboxing. There wasn't a lot to look at in the store that I went in. So this is going to be a little bit of both. So let's get into it. So first of all, let's talk a little bit about this. This is something that I had never heard of, but one of my lovely subscribers sent a video to me from another YouTube creator who had uploaded last week talking about National Outlet Shopping Day and all of the great deals that you could expect. So like I said in the intro, this event is going on from the 11th until the 14th of this month. So the exclusive saving events offers include quite a few stores. So if you have outlets near you, these are the stores that are participating. So for Adidas, you can get 20% off of a purchase of $85 or more. You can get at Aerie, you can get 20% off a purchase of $100 or more. American Eagle, 20% off 100. And Taylor, 20% off 100. Asics, 10% off your first purchase. So with this one, you have to sign up, I guess, for their rewards program. And then with that, you'll automatically get 10% off. Banana Republic, you're getting 25% off. The Boss Outlet is also doing this. They're doing 15% off. Calvin Klein is 25. Carter's is 20 off of 100 plus. Kohan is $50 off of every $200 you spend. And there's probably going to be a whole lot of stores on this list that I don't mention. I'm only mentioning the stores that are relevant to what we spend the most of our money on over here. So you may want to just check this out on your own. The Columbia Factory store is doing 25% off a single item. 30% off Crocs for $100 or more. Express, 20% off of $150 or more. Finish Line is a $10 welcome offer on your first purchase. So with that, you have to download the JD Sports app. 20% off at Fossil. I know a lot of people still like Fossil. And then the fragrance outlets are doing 25% off. Gap is 20. Hot Topic is 25. J. Crew is 25 off of 100. Jockey is $20 off a purchase of 80 or more. So this will go on and on. Kate Spade is giving a free gift with the purchase of 150 plus. So let's just see if Marc Jacobs is doing anything. K Jewelers is doing a 25 to 50% off. Michael Kors Outlet is doing an extra 20% off of your purchase, an additional 10% off until 11 a.m. But it excludes the Icon bags, watches, jewelry, fragrance, gift cards, and leather care dust bags, and of course clearance. And that's it. Like, that's not it, but that's enough. Like, the list is super long, and there are quite a few stores on here that I did not mention. But as y'all notice, Coach was not on there, and that's the only store I was really interested in. Like, right now, being that I work from home and I've gained about 3 dress sizes since moving to St. Louis, I'm not really trying to buy any garments or ready to wear or anything like that. Like, I'm making it do with what I have. And just buying what I need. But as far as like buying something real cute in this size that I don't plan on being able to fit in the next few months, just doesn't make sense. So the only thing I was interested in was handbags anyway. And then with that, y'all know how I feel about Marc Jacobs, Kate Spade, and Michael Kors. So they're like really hit or miss for me, and more miss than hit. So I went to the Coach outlet, and of course, because we're in between drops, there was really nothing new in the outlet. But I did take a few videos just because I just wanted to show y'all some of the stuff that they still had from the previous drops. So I'm looking at my tablet. As you can see, they still had one or two of the petal pink denim backpacks. So that was really interesting, and they're $179. So I don't know if they're available online on the website because I didn't look it up before I went out to the outlet. So they could still possibly be available on the website, but if not, the outlet in Chesterfield, Missouri does have the signature pink denim backpack still. I mean, literally, it's been less than 2 hours when I left there. The other thing that I noticed was they did have these mini carry crossbodies on sale for $129, and I came really, really close to getting the cinnamon version because I really like that color, and I want something from Coach in that color, but I decided not to get it. But I was also looking at the minis in the signature and the pink leather, but I just told myself, girl, you don't need any more pink leather, anything, so don't even look at those, just keep it moving. And so I did. But I did grab that the mini carry crossbody in cinnamon, and walked around the store with it because I had initially planned on getting it. But then I noticed too, they had a lot of the corner zip wristlets still. They still had a few of the pink denim. They had that really pretty light blue in the signature pattern. They had the yellow and the cinnamon. So even though they don't have any of the bags still from the previous drop, they do still have a few of the accessories. They even had that corner zip wristlet in the vanilla signature pattern as well. So really pretty. They even still had like some of the accessories from the powder pink drop. Like they still had that powder pink, what do they call that? The zip card case. But then you can see they also had it in that blue with the vachetta, and they had it in the vanilla color, as well as that coated canvas, that pink flower print that just came out with this last drop. But after carrying that carry around for a minute, I put it back and decided to go with something else. So I had a $200 gift card that somebody gave me back in probably February, and I've just been holding on to it, waiting on the opportunity to spend it. And there have been a few things that I looked at and considered using it for, but for whatever reason, I never pulled the trigger. So when I was at the outlet today, I decided to use it for something else. Now, I did have to add like maybe $20 to the gift card in order to grab this piece, but y'all know it comes in this bag right here. And I really like that the outlet and the retail stores are getting more similar in the packaging. Like, so the retail store has changed, in case y'all haven't noticed, they've changed their packaging to a color similar to this. So with the outlet, this is like a brown paper bag, just really thick. So retail is a similar color, but a different texture. But I just think it's good that they are making the retail and outlet, at least the packaging, look more similar than different. Because if you know, you know. The people who really are into Coach can still tell the difference. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into this. I don't think this is a bag that y'all would have expected me to grab. Not only does it not look like the right season for this bag, but this isn't something that I've ever talked about. Well, the silhouette, absolutely, y'all would expect me to grab it, but I don't think y'all would expect me to get this colorway. But this is one that I've been looking at for a while, and I will tell y'all why I decided to go ahead and grab it in just a minute. And what are they even calling this? Okay. So I went on ahead and grabbed the Rowan in the walnut and black. So I know. I've got quite a few Rowans, and this isn't anything new with all these gorgeous spring colors and all of these light colors and pastels and new and exciting things that really pop right now. Y'all probably wondering why I grabbed this, but I've been wanting this colorway for a while, and I didn't want to order it. I wanted to be able to grab it at my store. And you know, sometimes it's available in my store, sometimes it's not. Just like with the website, sometimes it's on there, sometimes it isn't. And the last couple of times I've gone to my outlet, it's been there, but my priority had always been on something from the most recent drop. And I kept telling myself, The next time I'm in the outlet and there's not something from a limited edition drop that I want, if they still have this bag and this colorway, I'm going to get it. So when I was in there today and I saw that they had it, I decided to go ahead and grab it. But the reason that I wanted this colorway is because I really, really want the Damier Ebene Speedy 25. I just don't want to pay for it. So I figured getting the Rowan and this colorway might help scratch the itch for that. But y'all know what this bag looks like. You've got the black candles with the walnut canvas and the black signature. You can see the detail. There's Coach written inside one of those C's. There's another one right there. And there's one right there, I think, yeah. So this has gold hardware. We're not going to spend a whole lot of time because y'all know these Rowans inside and out. I don't think anybody who watches my videos on a regular is new to the Rowan. They're all the same. But it has this, I don't know what color this is because the lighting in here is a little weird. I want to say it looks like oxblood. It could be oxblood or it could be dark brown, but it looks like oxblood to me. And then here's the strap. So y'all already know I won't be using this strap. If I ever decide to wear this crossbody, I will use one of my other straps to wear with this bag. One that I think will be more comfortable, not as thin, and it won't dig into my shoulder. But I'm so excited to have this piece finally in my collection. Again, like I said, this is a colorway that I've been looking at for a while. And I'm thinking that now that I have this in my collection, I really don't need to invest in the DE Speedy 25 Classic. But what do y'all think? Comment down below. Let me know if you plan on doing any outlet shopping this week during this event. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, if you're going to get it anyway, you may as well save a few coins. Talk to you later.